Welcome back, generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 hour to make the best game ever. Okay, so maybe we can do a mini session and advance just a little bit. Let's see. I think what we need is we need a I think we need a function here to get base class with the offset, so that if we look through the vtables, that we find the base class and maybe also the vtable. I don't know if that makes sense. Okay, what we certainly need is a function. Well, I'm not sure if certainly, but I think we need a function where we say, please give us a base class, get base class, and we put UN16T base offset. No? Yeah? Class. I think we need to pass also span class. Classes. Okay, so I think we need to go to base classes. For base class, and then return, no. Base class, results, let's say. Return base class results, null pointer. Okay. And then we say if base class dot base offset equals base offset, then then this equals that, and break. Otherwise, base class otherwise base class equals classes base class dot class index dot get base class classes base offset. If if base class result equals is not null pointer, then break, right? Get base class. I think that's correct implementation. Yeah, maybe. Okay, so basically then when we look into the vtables, we can now get the base class with the base offset, and then we get this one here returned. And that allows us to see, okay, what functions are in there and so on. What vtables are in there, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I hope that this is correct. Let's make it compact. Yeah. Base offset. Okay, but then there's also a question here. vtable entry. vtable entry. I think we should simplify this here. In the vtable entry, we should add a new function. Bool is detour. Is detour. vtable entry. And there we say is detour. If this is not invalid, this let's do and this return true, otherwise return false. And then we can say here if vtable entry is detour, functions continue. There we go. We do the same here. Maybe we make it like so. Is detour. Yeah. We do the same here. Okay, that went very well. Okay. And then what we can basically do, since we now also have the thunk index, we probably also need to add this thunks here, right? Yeah, likely. Yeah, let's see if this compiles for now. Yes. Okay. Why is this unbigly here? Moved object type. Where's this moved? Types, type. Use over moved from object. I don't see the problem here. Like if this is a problem, then this should be a problem as well, right? I don't get it. I don't know what the problem is here. Maybe there's none. Okay. This looks good so far. Is detour. Okay, so what I think we need to have is in the non-virtual thunk, I think we need also the is ctor or detour. Yeah. I don't know if we need all this here. Base name. Maybe. Base name. The entire name. The entire name. Ctor, detour. Yeah, I guess it. I think we only need this here for now. Maybe this here as well. Let me see this here. I put this function here. Okay, so function base name is clean path. Clean path. I would say we do the same stuff. We take these guys here and we put them here. Except this one. Okay. Then we take this guy here and we put that into we put that here, and then we take this one here, put that here. Okay, so okay, we say here returns true or error false otherwise. Demangler. Okay, so symbol name. Put this guy here, and then we put this here. Put here finish demangle. Let's put null pointer. Null pointer. Const char buffer. And then we say okay, how about we take this guy and we put this guy up here. Then we say thunk mname. Thunk mname equals buffer std free buffer. Void buffer. Okay. How about we say assert buffer. Okay. Mname. Let's comment this out. And we say thunk name erase. There we go. All right, buffer. Okay, and then here we do Thunk. And I'm just using null pointer here, which basically means it will allocate for each and single one here, which I think is fine, makes the code much simpler to read. We don't care about performance that much. Yeah. Buffer. I think here we can say assert buffer, not all right, get function base name buffer. I would say we put this into scope. If buffer, let's say if I don't know if that's possible. Oh. Yeah. I don't know if that null check is necessary. Maybe it's not necessary. Buffer. How about we simplify this further? We say if buffer this, then we can remove this. Okay. Buffer. 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 There we go. Ta-ta, 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 ta-ta. Okay, basically I wanted to make it as simple as possible. Actually, this means that we can remove this scope here. Yeah, actually we don't need that anymore. Look at that. Because our scope is now here. If that, then we do that. And we remove that. If that, the monkey work. If that, we can also remove the size thingy here. There we go. There we go. All right. Okay. And then we go put this here. And there. And there. Then we put this here. buffer, buffer. Then we move this. Okay, there we go. Okay, that looks simple enough. Maybe we can also remove this condition here. That would be even simpler. Maybe. I mean, if it allocates a buffer, it will contain. Yeah, I think we can remove this. Let's put a breakpoint here. Let's look at it first. Okay, so name buffer erase. I think we can remove that. Buffer, assert buffer. This looks good to me. Okay, let's see if that compiles. Let's put a breakpoint up here. Okay, thunk. Address, demangler, okay. Buffer, okay. There we go. SCD free. Done. Okay, buffer. Okay, get function base name. Oh. That didn't hit. That didn't hit. All right. Oh. Probably because it's this virtual thunk thingy. So this demangler does nothing. Okay. False. The question is, will this ever be true here? Let me put a breakpoint here. Let's see if we have some. Thunk. Let's type in thunk here. Okay, so this is a destructor, but it's not recognized as destructor. Okay. Okay, so we cannot use the Itanium demangler there. Why not? maybe 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 we need to let me think. 40. $16 and 14. What happens if we cut off the beginning? So we have okay, what happens if we do the following? Let's call it cut name std string cut name symbol name dot find. We find n. That's a fast stretch. So we do this dot sub str find n. There we go. Const cut name, and then we do cut name cstr. Let's see what happens. I think we need to do this plus 2. Let's see. So we have symbol name. This cut name is now 14 C sample sound. Let's see. And that doesn't work. So it doesn't recognize this as a valid name. Yeah. What if we have the n included? What happens then? I think because it needs to start with underscore z, right? cut name. Yeah. 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 Oh, looks like we can't do that. Yeah. Yeah. That's a shame. That is a shame. I would prefer to not parse a string ourselves. That makes it a mess. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Yeah. Good. I think we can rename this to isDetour. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what to do here. I mean, we can always parse this ourselves, but yeah. That's a shame. That is a shame. Buffer. Non-virtual thunk. Demangler. We would probably have to trick this somehow to force it as a function. Like partial demanger. Parse. Demangler. Oh boy. 5,000 lines of goodness. Oh boy. Yeah, I don't think we can use this here. It's a shame. Yeah. Okay, then we don't do that. Then we go back to what we had before. We put this, I think we can just, let me copy this stuff here. Notepad. Let me revert all this bullshit here. I wonder how long the history is here. There we go. So that's what we had originally. Then I think what we say is, for now we are mostly interested if it's a destructor. Yeah. Let's put this here. So right now we are mostly interested in this, so we can probably do that here. Thunk dot isDetour equals thunk name dot find. Let's also put a note here. Cannot use where is it? Partial demangler. Cannot use partial demangler to get function details. Yeah. Okay, that's fair. Good. So find, and then basically we just search for this symbol. I mean, this should only ever be in a destructor, right? isDetour. Yeah, so it's probably good enough. No, for now. Okay, so is this in place? Let's see if it compiles. Yeah. Then we should now be able to also add this thing here. put a TCB span for non-virtual thunks. Yeah, here. And then we say if thunk index and thunks is detour. There we go. Okay, and then we need to pass this thing here. Get data. Okay, so basically we need to pass the same thing here. There we go. There we go. Okay. Whoops. Get vtable entry. Let's put this comment here. Ta-dum. Ta-dum. Tum 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 tum. Okay. Ta-dum. 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 Put that here. Okay. Okay, and then we should have some errors down here. And then here we do thunks. There we go. Da-dup. 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 There we go. That should compile. Okay, now it also finds the thunks. Yeah. Yeah. Good. I think now this is not too bad. Good. I think then we can take a break here again. Yeah. Good. The next session we will then take a good look at this stuff. This one. This function is still the big problem. Yeah, and this here. Yeah. Good. Other than this, I think it looks good. Yeah. 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 What I also wanted to do is simplify this bullshit here. with what we did here. Okay, how about we comment this out? Because it's too complicated what we did there. So basically we do function, 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 function. And I think we can do assert. I don't think we need even assert. I mean, if it is empty, then it simply remains an empty string, right? I think we can just remove this. There we go. There we go. That's much easier to look at. It's probably more costly, but I don't care. I don't care. Okay, and here we can also do, let's say, const char buffer, and I think we can do null pointer, and we can do assert buffer is not null pointer, and then demangled is buffer. There we go. There we go. Is mangled buffer. Buffer. I think. Wait, hold on. Std free void buffer. There we go. Yeah, and then basically we wouldn't need to pass the buffer and the buffer size. We can remove that. Okay, let's see if this works. Here, buffer. Here. Buffer, yeah, demangled. There we go, free buffer. Okay. Buffer, yeah. Buffer, Oh, this also allocates an empty buffer. Okay, and then it just assigns empty here. I think that's fine. Yeah, it's kind of useless that it allocates an empty thing here, but okay, whatever. Okay, well, this seems to work. Let's see if it hits any assert there. Probably crashes now in the other function. Yeah, okay, that's fine. That's fine. We'll get to that next time. Okay, then that means we can also now delete this buffer thingy here. We can remove this one. And this. We remove this. And this. And this. And this, and everything is simpler. There we go. And there we go. This was way too complicated here. I think this is much more manageable. Yeah. Yeah, looks better to the eye. Yeah, okay, looks good to me. Good, looks good. Good. Then I will end it here. 1 hour session, good. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time, goodbye.